How to study smarter. Active recall method. Be honest. How many times have you spent hours highlighting a textbook, rereading your notes, and feeling like you've mastered the material, only to go blank the second the exam starts? That's called the illusion of competence. You're making the information look familiar, but you aren't actually learning it. Today, we're killing those passive habits. I'm going to show you the single most effective study technique backed by science. Active recall. What is active recall? Most of us study by trying to put information into our brains. Active recall flips the script. It's the process of forcing your brain to pull information out. Think of your brain like a forest. Passive study, like rereading, is like just looking at a map. Active recall is actually walking the path. Every time you struggle to remember a fact, you're making that neural path wider and easier to follow. Next time, 3 practical ways to use it. 1. The closed book method. Instead of reading a chapter and moving on, close the book. Grab a blank sheet of paper and write down everything you remember. Everything. Then go back and see what you missed. The gap between what you knew and what you forgot is where the real learning happens too. The Q&A method. While you're taking notes, don't write statements, write questions. Instead of writing, mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Write, what is the function of the mitochondria? When you review, you aren't reading notes, you're taking a mini quiz. 3. Digital flashcards. This is the gold standard. Use apps like Anki or Quizlet. They force active recall at the exact moment you're about to forget the information. The mindset shift. Here's the catch. Active recall is hard. It feels much more exhausting than highlighting. But that friction, that's the feeling of your brain actually growing. If you want elite results, you have to be relentless. Don't choose the easy path of rereading because it feels safe. Choose the hard path of testing yourself because it works. Stop being a passive consumer and start being an active learner. Close the book, ask yourself questions, and embrace the struggle. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Now, go put the highlighter down and start recalling. I'll see you in the next one.